In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom indicator in cTrader. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top left, click on those three lines, and from here at the bottom, you want to click on Algo. Now, in here, you want to switch over from CBots to indicators, and then here you want to click on the new button, which will allow you to basically get a new algorithm, or in our case, a custom indicator. So there's two ways to do this. The first one is you can build a new algorithm, or like an indicator, or you could add an existing algorithm or indicator. So for example, I'm going to show you both, but the first I'm going to go with the existing algorithm. So I'm going to click on it, click on next, and it's going to ask you to choose a file or drag and drop it here. So what you have to do is just basically get your file, if you have it of course, and then you can just drag and drop it. I have a simple one from ChatGPT over here. I just generated for this tutorial for the purpose of this video, and then you can click on the add button, and this is going to add your algorithm. Okay, so that's essentially the first way to add a custom indicator. However, if you want to build a new one, you can also click on that. You can click on next over here, and then you can give it a name. I'm just going to name this one tutorial. There we go. And then you can, of course, select the algorithm type. Now, if we're adding a custom indicator, of course, it's going to be an indicator. And then I'm going to click on next. And then you have to select the language for coding the algorithm. So we have two different ones. Of course, I'm going to use the first one over here. Of course, you can use Python as well if you wanna. And then I'm going to click on next. And you could go from scratch or using a template. I'm just going to go from scratch, click on create. And then it's going to give you this kind of building panel over here where you can basically paste in or start coding. Okay, so I actually asked to the help of ChatGPT again over here, and it generated me some code which I'm going to paste in here. So I'm just going to select all deleted, and I'm going to paste in the code from ChatGPT. There we go. And then whenever you're done with your code, you can just click on build up top, and then here it's going to say, or it should say, build succeeded if everything is good. And you could go and click on back over here. You can see my indicator here. I can go and add it to the chart, and yeah, that's basically how to do it. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.